Hello guys, this is how to make audio public on Google Slides. So follow these quick and easy steps and it should get you right there. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So what we want to do now is to hit insert, and that should open up our Google Drive. What you'll notice there is that we're going to have to set up a new folder. We're doing this so that we know exactly where to go to find our media. It just makes it easier. We're going to name this new folder presentation and then quickly click create. And then you'll see there isn't any sound. So we're going to open up our files so that we can quickly drop the sound that we are looking to use on there. So now I've opened up my files and I found the perfect sound, and I go ahead and drop that right there. It's not going to take too long, and it's right in there. So now I'm going to go back to my slide, click back on insert, click on audio, look for the folder, found the folder, and that's the sound right there. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to click on insert. So it says the audio is created, and there we go. So you can move around that piece and then click on play. The sound should automatically play. So once you have the audio created, a little tab will open up there on the side. Then you have the option of starting play automatically, or you can click to start. You can increase and decrease the volume of the audio. You can loop the audio so that it plays on a continuous cycle, or you can choose to stop the audio once you change the slide. And it's that quick and it is that easy. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.